Adishtle. My name is Tenzin Talki, and today on this book review session, I'm going to talk about this book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. So, for me, this book is a masterpiece, and I would give it definitely 10 out of 10. If you are at a point of your life where you feel depressed, where you feel sad, not worthy, and if you feel like you are failing, then definitely I would recommend you to read this book, because this book not only lifts up your spirits and make you motivated, but it also brings you to the right path of the success. And this book is something which anyone and everyone can read. Like even the beginner who have started reading can go for this, because this book's words and sentence are so easy and easily understandable, right? People who think they want to change their life in a certain way, and James Clear have make it in the easiest way. The kogi did have jina la khari aposhish la na ya kogi di me inspirational me gold medalist rangi do the leading CEOs khonzo aji life khaji techniques khonzo aji dine tis kuma gya che ani khonzo aji normal me mize ngam do la compare chi ani dine khonzo khanje yarge tango dundi ngam la dura ani khogaji di thanda khonzo aji main ngala khari hitchis la na there's a 2-minute rule only ngappe khijimu tangsra, because 2-minute rule is something we can try doing it, because for example namki workout chigina and there will be a point where I'll feel no, now procrastination is something very common that is very normal in everyone's life. And when you do the 2-minute rule it will really help you, because 2-minute rule if you always read book ta thring lo yang yob le dara yene ta khaya mar kamangi chigni lo shago la ne ya thabji de loira lodi gobdula kamangi lo science ra ani kamangi lo sanan kamangas lo shago ani kamachu lo shago ya habit di regain ranga che ende chidu gobdula procrastination in da ani ngonzo ji habit ka routine de break che di tiskali khakbo yoria. So something 2-minute rule di che kheshum bu dong ta ha go chi bu me che ani the rules thangma, it's not like you can change it overnight. So you have to do it every day. You have to try. Any china any habit the change some good. So yeah, this book is 10 out of 10 and it really helped me and I'm still trying. Thank you so much.